Okay, number 1. Which representation of a transformation on a coordinate grid does not preserve congruence? I'm just going to read the questions on this. Some of these I'm not going to read the answer choices because it'll take too long, but just read the question. Number 1 again. Which representation of a transformation on a coordinate grid does not preserve congruence? Number 2. The coordinate grid shows a pentagon. The pentagon is translated 1 unit to the left and 10 units down to create a new pentagon. Which rule describes this transformation? Number 3. Quadrilateral PRST is reflected across the y-axis to create quadrilateral PRST prime. Which rule describes this transformation? Number 4. A circle is graphed on a coordinate grid and then reflected across the y-axis. If the center of the original circle was located at x, y, which ordered pair represents the center of the new circle after the transformation? Number 5. Triangle ABC was translated 2 units to the right and 3 units down. Which rule describes the translation that was applied to triangle ABC to create triangle ABC prime? Number 6. A preschool has a rectangular field and a rectangular playground that are similar in shape. Each dimension of the field is 3.2 times the corresponding dimension of the playground. Which statement is true? Is it A, the area of the field is 6.4 times the area of the playground? B, the area of the field is 10.24 times the area of the playground? C, the perimeter of the field is 6.4 times the perimeter of the playground? Or D, the perimeter of the field is 10.24 times the perimeter of the playground? Number 7. A transformation is applied to a figure to create a new figure. Which transformation does not preserve congruence? Is it A reflection across the x-axis? B, a translation 7 units down? C, a dilation by a scale factor of 5? Or D, a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise? Number 8. Triangle ABC and its dilation, triangle ABC prime, are shown below. Which statement about triangle ABC and triangle ABC prime is true? Is it A, the angles of triangle ABC prime will be 1.5 times greater than the angles of triangle ABC? B, the angles of triangle ABC prime will be 2/3 of the angles of triangle ABC? C, the side lengths of triangle ABC prime are 1.5 times the side lengths of triangle ABC? Or D, the side lengths of triangle ABC prime are 2/3 of the side lengths of triangle ABC? Number 9. 2 8th grade classes are selling raffle tickets to raise money. One class is selling tickets for $2.50 each and has already raised $350. The other class is selling tickets for $3 each and has already raised $225. Which equation can be used to find T, the number of tickets each class needs to sell so that the total amount raised is the same for both classes. And last, number 10, which equation can be used to describe the relationship between x and y shown in the graph below?